Welcome to today's tutorial on Cloud Migration Essentials. If you're here, chances are you're either considering moving your data and applications to the cloud or already in the process of doing so. Whether you're a small business owner, a tech professional, or just someone curious about cloud migration, you're in the right place. We'll break everything down into simple, easy to understand steps. So, let's dive in. In this tutorial, the objective of Essentials of Cloud Migration, including its benefits of cloud migration, key strategies of cloud migration, and migration process, different cloud migration strategies, step-by-step approach to a successful migration, common challenges, and how to overcome them. What is cloud migration? Cloud migration is the process of moving data, applications, and workloads from an on-premises infrastructure or legacy systems to a cloud environment. Organizations typically migrate to reduce costs, pay only for the resources you use instead of managing expensive on-premise infrastructure. Enhance scalability, easily scale resources up or down as needed. Improve reliability and performance. Many cloud providers offer high availability and optimized performance. However, migration is not just about moving applications, it requires a well-planned strategy. Let's explore the different migration strategies you can choose from. Cloud migration strategies. There are several ways to move workloads to the cloud, each with its own advantages and trade-offs. 1. Rehosting. This requires you to move applications as they are to the cloud. Fast and minimal changes needed. 2. Replatforming. This means making slight optimizations before migrating, for example, upgrading databases. It improves performance without complete redesign. 3. Repurchasing. This means moving to a cloud-based service, for example, SaaS. It is managed by the provider, easier scalability. 4. Refactoring. This means completely redesign applications to fully leverage the cloud. It maximizes efficiency and performance. Choosing the right approach depends on your business needs, budget, and long-term goals. Cloud migration process. A successful cloud migration follows these key steps. 1. Planning. This means assess your current IT infrastructure and determine migration goals. Choose a cloud provider, AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. 2. Discovery and assessment. This means analyze existing applications and data. Identify which workloads should be migrated first. 3. Migration design. This means create an architecture blueprint for the cloud environment. Ensure security, scalability, and cost optimization. 4. Execution migration. This means moving workloads to the cloud following the chosen strategy. Test and validate the migration to prevent service disruption. 5. Optimization and monitoring. This means to optimize cloud resources for better performance and cost savings. Implement monitoring tools to track usage and security. 6. Post-migration review. This means to conduct performance checks and ensure everything runs smoothly. Address any issues that arise after the migration. Common cloud migration challenges. Migrating to the cloud isn't without its challenges. Here are some common obstacles and how to tackle them. 1. Data security and compliance. Use encryption, identity management, and compliance standards to keep data secure. 2. Downtime and service disruption. Reduce risks by testing migration processes and having a backup strategy. 3. Cost management. Monitor usage and set up budgeting tools to avoid unexpected costs. 4. Skill gaps. Invest in training your team or hiring cloud professionals. Before we wrap up, let's summarize what we covered. Cloud migration involves moving applications and data to a cloud platform. The 4 key strategies for migration are rehosting, replatforming, repurchasing, and refactoring. The migration process includes planning, assessment, migration, optimization, and post-migration review. Common challenges include security risks, downtime, cost control, and skill gaps, but they can be managed with the right approach. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.